Take a ride in the 2018 Camaro. Camaro was developed to be 21st century on every level, from its awe-inspiring design to its outstanding performance to its impressive efficiency, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, Bluetooth, air conditioning, dual airbags, backup camera, alloy wheels, one owner, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.